Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given the graph of function f is a parabola as given here, and we have 3 points that are given. We're asked which of the following defines f. So the first thing we have to recognize is that all these functions are in the form f of x is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. This is a standard form of a parabola where you have h, k is your vertex, and then a is a multiplier that is determining the steepness of the graph. So our vertex here is this point down here, so 3, 1. So our equation is going to be of the form f of x is equal to a, we don't know a yet, x minus, and then if hk is equal to 3, 1, it's going to be x minus h, so x minus 3 squared plus 1. If we look at our options here, we have x minus 3 squared plus 1, perfect. X plus 3 squared plus 1, that's not the case. X minus 3 squared plus 1, this is good. X plus 3 squared plus 1, not good. So it's either A or C, and you'll notice the difference here is A, right? Either A is 4, again, it's just this coefficient in front of this squared term, or there's no coefficient listed here, so we know it's just 1. So now you can say, okay, only one of these is going to satisfy the points that were given. So let's start with A, and we can plug in these points and we will see if it satisfies the function. So, looking for f of 2, 3, and 4. So for A, f of 2 is equal to 4 times 2 minus 3 squared plus 1. This is equal to 4 times 2 minus 3 is negative 1 squared plus 1. 4 times negative 1 squared is 4 times 1 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. We do want 5 here. F of 2 is 5, so that checks out. F of 3, we're looking for 1 here, is equal to 4 times 3 minus 3 squared plus 1. Again, just plugging in 3 for x. 3 minus 3 is 0, so it's 4 times 0 squared plus 1. 4 times 0 squared is just 0, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So this point checks out too. And finally, we have f of 4 is equal to 4 times 4 minus 3 squared plus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1, so it's 4 times 1 squared plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And again, we're looking for 5 here. F of 4 is 5, so all 3 of these points check out. These are the only 3 points we have, and it satisfies all of these, so we know that this is the graph of the function, or this is the equation of the function. How do we know it's not C? Well, on a multiple choice test, if it's A, it can't be C, but we can plug in a point that won't fit. So if we have f of 4 for C, that's going to be 4 minus 3 squared plus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1 squared, which is just 1. Plus 1 is equal to 2. F of 4 is 2, so that means the point 4, 2 is on this graph, but we have 4, 5 here. So C is not the answer, and that just confirms that A is. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.